Autumn, the season of hoodies, hot drinks, and that satisfying crunch of leaves under your feet. But what if I told you, you might not need to rake those leaves at all? Today, we diving into the pros and cons of leaving your fall leaves where they fall, and how doing less could actually help the planet. The pros: bagging leaves for trash might seem tidy, but it's not eco-friendly. In landfills, leaves break down without oxygen, releasing methane, a powerful greenhouse gas. Plus those plastic bags? They'll stick around for centuries. Letting leaves decompose naturally keeps nutrients in the soil and reduces waste. As leaves break down, they return essential nutrients, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, right back into the earth. It's called nutrient cycling, and it helps your soil stay rich and alive without chemical fertilizers. That layer of leaf litter? It's a mini wildlife resort. Beetles, frogs, salamanders, chipmunks all find food and shelter beneath it. Even birds depend on these hidden snacks during colder months. Raking is hard work and even risky, with thousands of raking-related injuries every year. Leaving the leaves saves you time, effort, and even money if you normally hire yard services. The cons: too many leaves can smother your lawn, blocking sunlight and air. This damp blanket can cause mold and fungal diseases. A thick carpet of leaves might look wild and natural to you, but to neighbors or your HOA, maybe not so much. While most critters are harmless, piles of damp leaves can attract unwanted guests, like rodents or garden pests. To want the best of both worlds? Mulch your leaves. Just mow over them. This shreds them into fine pieces that decompose fast, feeding your soil while keeping the yard tidy. Rake only where it's needed, like walkways and driveways, and let nature take care of the rest in low-traffic areas. If you have too many leaves, check if your town offers composting programs. It's a great way to recycle nutrients and support local gardeners. So, should you rake or not rake? The answer isn't one size fits all. But next time you're staring down a yard full of leaves, remember, sometimes doing less is actually doing more for the planet.